Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch the recorded shows on the Spectrum TV application in 2026. Now, if you have already recorded the programs using the cloud DVR and you are not able to find where they are saved, this guide will walk you through it quickly and clearly. So first of all, you need to open your Spectrum TV application on your smart TV, Roku, Fire Stick, phone or tablet. Just make sure that you logged in your Spectrum TV account first. So when you are inside, you just have to go to the main menu. On the main menu, you need to look for the option of My Library. Now here in the My Library, you are going to see the option of recordings. So it might be DVR in your case as well. It depends on the software update that you are currently using. So when you find the recording option, it is going to look something like this. This is your My DVR section, and in the right hand side you are going to see the recordings tab. So here inside the recordings tab, you are going to see all of the recordings with their recording dates. So you can basically select any one of these and you can simply press OK in order to play them. If you have scheduled any of the shows or basically live TV, you just have to tap on the option of scheduled and it is going to show you all of the recordings that you have basically scheduled. So you can also take a look at the date and the time right next to it. So this is how you can basically watch your recorded shows on the Spectrum TV application. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.